Alright, what's up guys? So we're going to do a little bit of a game mode that might be a little different from your average Airsoft game. Over to my left, you can see we've got a cornucopia of weapons, so to speak. We're basically going to be playing a Hunger Games style game where we're going to hide these weapons throughout the field. And, well, we're all going to spawn in one area and try to find these weapons, take each other out as best as possible, but there might be some curveballs thrown in there, so we'll see how it goes.
On my count, you will run off, find your weapons, and kill. Alliances can be used. Hunger Games 2013! 3, 2, 1, go! Like this.
Where'd they go?
Oh, shit.
Oh, no! Oh shit, safety's on. Oh my god!
Sweet.
Give me that, give me that. Ah! No!
Shit. Son of a bitch.
Nice.
Oh Jesus! Where the hell did that come from? Are you kidding me, Flash Mag? Oh no, no. Screw it. This is like my fourth gun. Oh, man, my shield is high. Oh, it's right there. Oh, it's right there. Nope. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Damn.
Oh my god! Oh my goodness! You were in the door and you tucked back and just
Left my chip.
I only saw this much of the barrel.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god! Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh yeah, come here, Ross.
Corner.
Ross, come here. Oh no! No! Bang!
What?
Bang.
Dang it.
Please be up here. Please be up here. Please be up here. Please be up here. Please be a gun. 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 Oh my god, there's no gun.
Oh god, god, god!
I got you, right?
No, let's go. Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't leave me, Bob. I ran into this room and Bob was in the corner. And he missed the first shot. Then I was like, hey, let's talk about this. And then he shot me.
Don't want to lose a gun.
Oh, nice.
That's game!
Airsoft GI would like to thank our sponsors.